Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing something a little bit different, I would say, because I've never done this type of video before, and the video that you guys are going to see me do is, it's going to definitely be a makeup tutorial, me creating this look here, but it was a mystery makeup look because I didn't know what look I was going for. All I knew is the two palettes that I would be using to achieve the look. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I achieved this makeup look here, just keep on watching. Two palettes I'm going in with is my LA Colors eyeshadow palette. So I'm going to go in with this palette here, and then I'm going to go in with my Morphe 35T palette. So those are the two palettes that I'll be using to create this makeup look. Okay, you guys, so I got fresh, clean skin. To prime my face, I'm just going to go in with the LA Girl Pro Prep. Put it in the areas that I want to concentrate. Really, primers like this I like to use all over my face. So from the holidays, I've been eating a lot of sweets, and even though the sweets were like made with natural sugars, I could just tell my skin is breaking out. So I was trying to hold off as long as possible from doing a makeup tutorial, but I see that's just not going to happen because that's really what my channel is mostly about. So I have to go ahead and just suck it up and give it some extra TLC to try to get it back as much as possible. But I'm already starting to notice an improvement in my skin, like it's going back to normal. So moving on to go ahead and get straight into my brows. I like to groom them first, which you guys saw me just do. Then I'm gonna go in with this LA Colors palette, and I'm gonna do the darkest shade of chocolate here in this corner and go ahead and fill in my brows. And using powder has been my thing. When I first started off like filling in my brows, I always used powder, like an eyeshadow or a brow powder, and that was just my thing. It looks more like your actual hair, and I feel like it just looks more natural. So and you can do a bomb makeup look and still have soft light brows. You don't have to have bold brows. I guess it just all depends on preference. If you want more of a defined brow with your makeup looks, that's fine, but you don't have to. If you don't, it's not gonna kill the makeup look. I'm going in with this LA Girl Pro Conceal, and this is in Warm Honey, and I like to apply this on the back of my hand too because it's just easier that way for me. I like to do brows first because I just feel like they take the most time for me, and brows are so important, I feel like, because they really shape and frame your face. So I like to make sure that my brows look good. I'm gonna go in with my Real Techniques brush, and this is a creasing brush, but I love using it for my brows. I gotta do a glasses test because I gotta make sure these brows is right. To define the brow a little bit more, and see, there's a trick to that. Okay, you can do like a pomade and make a more defined brow, or you can use mascara and it can really define the hair very well. So I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Falsies mascara. You can use a mascara or you can use a brow gel, just whatever your preference. I'm using mascara and a brow gel to set everything. I go in with this Maybelline Falsies Push Up Angel and just lightly go over the hair. Then I'm gonna go in with the Wet n Wild Mega Clear Brow Gel. So for my eyes, I like to prep my eyes, of course, and I go in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer as my primer and just apply that on the lid. Going to go ahead and blend it out. Then I'm gonna go ahead and set the eye with some Airspun translucent powder. Now that both of my lids are set, I'm gonna go in with my first shade. Next, I'm gonna go in with this brown shade here that I used for my brows. And then I believe I'm going to mix that color with this color here below it. So I'm gonna mix those two colors and go ahead and go on the outer corner and just kind of work my way in to create some warmth and a little bit of depth to this makeup look. So again, you guys, I'm just kind of making this up as I go along. This is gonna be the mystery of this makeup look. Okay, next, what I think I'm gonna do is add concealer back onto the lid as a primer. And when I work with the Morphe 35T palette, it has some really glittery, shimmery shadows in there, and so I want it to pick up very, very nicely. Looking at this palette, I'm gonna go in with these two shades here and apply that onto my lid. So first, I'm gonna start off by putting some concealer on the lid. And I'm gonna go ahead with my Urban Decay brush that just comes in one of my palettes. I'm gonna spray down this flat top side and go ahead and put my brush in this eyeshadow. Then I'm gonna take a bronze shade. It's a bronze shimmer shade from this palette, and then just put it a little bit here to kind of blend out a little. I'm gonna go ahead and work on foundation. Foundations I'm using today are the Maybelline Fit Me foundation and the CoverGirl Ready Set Gorgeous. I'm gonna lightly with this is the foundation, go over the areas that we color corrected. And then really quickly, I'm gonna go back and do a little bit of color correcting under my eye because I like to kind of save that part last. And again, I'm just putting a little bit here. Using my damp Real Technique sponge, I'm just gonna go ahead and apply my foundation. And I love to try to stretch this as much as possible because I like skin-like makeup. And I feel like making the Beauty Blender damp is really what gives you that skin-like finish. You guys see that? Looks beautiful. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and conceal with the LA Girl Pro Conceal. While I have the under eye sitting, I'm gonna go ahead and contour really quickly. And I'm using the Black Radiance Contour Medium to Light palette, light to medium palette. And I'm just gonna use in between these two shades to contour my whole face. And then I like to go in and just kind of blend on that contour because I want it to be nice and subtle. Go ahead and use my Airspun translucent powder and just press that right into the skin. And because it's damp, I'm just pressing it right in. I just want to set it. I don't necessarily want to bake. I never bake, to be honest with you all. So I'm just going to go ahead and press that on in and set the rest of the areas that I put concealer on. And I like to just go ahead and set that on in. For blush today, I'm going in with the MAC Peach Twist. And then I'm going to go back in with this. Just make it subtle. For highlight, I'm using MAC Gold Deposit. And I'm just gonna go ahead and highlight. I'm gonna go ahead and apply the L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara to my top and bottom lashes. For lashes, I'm going in with the AOA Studio lashes, and this is in the style Alexis, and I'll show you guys a little bit closer, up closer. I've already worn these, but I really love these lashes here, so I'm just gonna go ahead and go in with these babies. For my lips, I'm gonna go ahead and line them with cork. Okay, you guys, so this is the finished look. I hope that you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial on today. I wanted to shift it and change it up a little bit because you guys always see me do a makeup tutorial, but I thought doing a mystery makeup look would be a little bit different. So I hope you guys love the outcome of this makeup look. If you did, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so that you'll be notified on my next upload, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.